Hi, this is Harvey with Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos. I'm going to share with you a 5,000 mile heritage that's been completely customized. Just to go over the white wall tires,
So don't forget the fender.
laced wheels that were powder coated, have a stage 4 117
Pop the bike, two bags of coffee in the ride.
Mustang seat with matching
I'll get a big sale next week.
fender protector, also custom stitched
Everybody here going, yeah, he's gonna ride this for a month.
tank protection, custom hard bags, this is so cool. It has a high performance aluminum wheel, also powder coated. It shows a 114, but it's been converted to a 117. Mustache bars. This bike is absolutely beautiful. Come on and give it a test drive. You won't want to give it back.